and welcome back to another episode of Cosmetics Business Standside here live in Paris for the 2024 edition of In Cosmetics Global. Today I'm delighted to be joined by Clariant and more specifically Karolina, who is the Portfolio Manager for Preservation over at Clariant.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Yeah,
and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So Karolina, we have just the one question for you today because I understand you are the expert in this field. And that question is, what trends are you seeing and Clariant seeing specifically, and how are they responding to this within preservation?
Yeah, so sustainability and ethical trends are still the trends which are driving the purchase decisions of our consumers, of our customers. So consumers are very knowledgeable about ingredients, about their impact on health, on human health, on the environment, and also in terms of preservatives. Even more, they are much more cautious about those and much more careful, looking, okay, what exactly is in. So this is the one block, it's the consumer, and then we have regulatory. So this is also very important when you look into the field of preservation. So regulations is getting more and more tighter, more and more stricter on safety, on the environment, which then for the formulators give them smaller toolboxes, smaller ingredients to formulate with. But on the other hand, they need to perform,
with consumer demands as well.
Yeah, exactly. And also the formulations have to provide higher, efficiency, be better with a smaller toolbox. So how we are responding to this is basically we have our multifunctional boosters and our modern preservatives and blends, which on the one hand are very good in inhibiting the growth of those microorganisms, but with an enhanced sustainable profile in terms of biodegradability, in terms of eco labels. So really you can get the full package responding to those trends.
Fantastic. That sounds great to me. Thank you so much, Karolina. That's definitely answered our question.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. And now I'm delighted to be joined by Petra, who is the Product Development Preservatives over at Clariant. And Petra, we have a burning question to ask you, which is, how does Clariant ensure to develop efficient solutions for formula protection, but especially considering the growing demand on natural and sustainable cosmetic products? So it's quite a long question, that one, but I'm sure you have a very detailed answer.
It's a good answer I can give. So the development of naturally derived cosmetics is having various challenges for formulators, and one of them is preservation. Since there's just a few preservatives left that they can actually use, but we want to have safe cosmetics for everyone. So to ensure properly support of our customers, we have established a network of experts in every region, complemented with microbiology labs providing customer service. At the same time, innovation in this area is one of our key priorities. To increase our innovation pace, we have implemented a screening platform which we call Amica.
Right.
With this screening platform, we are determining the minimum inhibitory concentration, which is showing how efficient preservatives can be. So in this assay, we screened 32 ingredients at the same time at different concentrations against different bacteria, yeast and molds that could contaminate a cosmetic formulation. And we're doing this in an end-to-end automatized approach. In this approach, we get more detailed insights and get more granular results much faster than it was used in the past with the traditional approaches.
Right.
And with this approach, we can better support our customers with new innovative solutions, having much more detailed understanding, and then helping them to face the challenges they have with selecting the right preservation system.
Fantastic. I think that's exactly the answer we was looking for as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you for having us. And now I'm delighted to be joined by Julie Droux, who is a Technical Marketing Manager over at Clariant. Julie, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So we have a couple of questions for you, and the first question that we really wanted to take a deep dive into was, we know that Cycloretin has been highlighted as a groundbreaking innovation in skincare, but could you describe the benefits and the features that make Cycloretin stand out in the world of cosmetic ingredients here at In Cosmetics?
Yeah, sure. So Cycloretin is our new active ingredient, and it's a natural retinol alternative based on a cyclic peptide. So basically, we harnesses the powers of two superstars, the retinol, without its side effects. And it is also based on this new peptide. So peptides are prized molecule in the beauty industry. They are known to be efficient, even at low concentration. So highly efficient, great stability. And it exists two types of peptides. The linear one, which have a start and an end point,
Yes.
and the cyclic peptide. So it's a circular structure. And these provide specific properties, such as high stability and high bioavailability. And we have been able to extract this natural cyclic peptide from a plant called Prince ginseng. This is an adaptogenic plant, so very interesting, and it's part of the traditional Chinese plant.
From the Chinese valleys, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly. So great location, great plant, and great story.
Fantastic, fantastic. So Julie, how was the gentle molecule heterophilin B discovered? And why does it make cycloretin less irritating than retinol?
So this cyclic peptide called heterophilin B was found in the plant called Prince ginseng, and we have been able to identify this plant thanks to very intensive literature analysis. And this plant, despite its name, Prince ginseng, is not a ginseng. In fact, it is used by children as a ginseng substitute for its milder effect. So it was a perfect plant to provide a mild alternative to retinol.
Got it.
And also this is a peptide. So it's based on amino acids, the building blocks of skin proteins, meaning they offer this great bioavailability and affinity with skin cells. So this explains the efficacy and also the gentleness brought by this molecule. And according to our test, cycloretin is free from irritability. So it brings, yes, on this gentleness.
What a hero product then.
Yeah,
fantastic.
We hope so.
And finally, how does cycloretin align with Clariant's future plans for natural and sustainable ingredients?
So this plant, the Prince ginseng, is cultivated through a reasoned approach without fertilizers or pesticides. Also, the product is based, it's a plant extract based on a green extraction. So only green solvents are accepted in the process.
Right.
And those solvents are from natural origin. It's a good thing. And this allows to have certification such as Cosmos approved, Nature approved. According to the ISO 16128, it is 100% natural origin. And the supply chain is fully traceable from the plant to the final ingredient.
Fantastic. Well, that all comes together quite nicely and makes perfect sense as well. So we wish you all the best at In Cosmetics this year. I know that you're very proud of this product and we're looking forward to seeing and tracking its future success. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And thank you so much for watching and listening over to your home and office. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and follow us for more conversations just like this one.